Happy Wednesday, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Latricia Woods, and I'm excited to be with Charles Johnson and Gabby Albert as we tell you all the exciting things that are coming up for the 2025 Black Maternal Health Week. With me today is Charles Johnson, founder and president of For Cure for Moms, and Gabby Albert, executive director for Cure for Moms, and we have a great deal of information to share with you. And we're going to start off with Charles, and Charles is going to tell us a little bit more about Cure for Moms and give an overview of the Black Maternal Health Week, why it's important to support, why it exists, and then we're going to go into all the ways that you can participate in these events that are going to take place in the next coming days. Charles, take it away.
Thank you so much, Patricia. And I'm so extremely excited, as you mentioned, because Black Maternal Health Week is almost here. And this year, For Cure for Moms, along with our amazing partners, are working to make Atlanta the destination for Black Maternal Health Week. And so, for some of you all that don't know about what For Cure for Moms is and how we got here, my wife, Kira, tragically passed away giving birth to our second son, Langston, in 2016. And unfortunately, what I wasn't aware of at the time is that we are in the midst of a maternal mortality crisis right here in America. In fact, that we leave the industrialized world and women dying in childbirth, and then African American women are 4 to 5 times more likely than their Caucasian counterparts to lose their lives just simply trying to give the gift of life. And so we founded this organization with one very distinct mission, not only to pay honor to Kira, but our greater mission is to eradicate the maternal mortality crisis, period, full stop. And so Black Maternal Health Week is a celebration of all things Black birthing joy. And this year, we are working to take this to the next level. So we have an amazing series of events for the community, curated in partnership with some amazing people and some amazing organizations for one particular reason, and that is because this community deserves to be celebrated. And so we're going to kick off Black Maternal Health Week in Atlanta on Friday evening, April 11th, with a spoken words and arts competition. And this is going to be tapping into all of the very rich artistic and creative talent right here in Atlanta to be able to use those talents to tell the story of the maternal health crisis in the United States. And so that's going to be Friday evening at the Evelyn Rose Gallery. And so the winners of that will be able to display their work and will receive prizes at our big event on Saturday. And so speaking of Saturday, Saturday is the event that we've all been waiting for. And this is going to be our third, I can't believe it, our third annual Black Maternal Health Walk and Block Party. And so this is such a fun time. We're going to kick off just before 9 a.m. with our walk. And so we hope to have, even last year, I think we had close to 1,000 people join us for our walk. We hope to exceed that number. And so people come in to walk in solidarity to show their support for demanding improved maternal health outcomes, and particularly respect and dignified birthing experiences for Black women. And so right after the walk, that will pour directly into our Black Maternal Health Week block party. This is going to be such an amazing time. So we're going to have live performances, free food. We have 3 Black-owned food trucks. It's going to be
For
hosted.
this year.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We have
We
four
have
this year.
4. We have 4 food trucks this year. It's going
Plus
to be
Italian
hosted.
ice.
Yes, plus Italian ice for the kids. It's going to be hosted by our dear friend, the amazing Shamia Morton, who not only is the newest cast member of The Real Housewives of Atlanta, but she is also the in-game host here for the Hawks. Speaking of the Hawks, we are going to do this year's celebration in partnership with the Atlanta Hawks. I can't tell you how excited I am. For somebody who is an Atlanta native, everything, all things Atlanta are near and dear to my heart. So to be able to do this in partnership with the Hawks, they're going to bring out Harry the Hawk. The cheerleaders are going to do giveaways, live experiences. We're going to do an activation on the basketball courts for the kids. Speaking of kids, I want everybody to understand that this is not a family-friendly event. This is a family event. This is going to have something for the entire family. So please, if you have little ones, bring them out. We have a whole kids zone that'll have face paint, special giveaways for the kids, a bouncy house. It'll be so much fun. And then Should I tell them? You want me to hold off, or should I tell them what?
Well, hold on.
Okay.
With the Hawks, we also want to give a shout out because it's actually the Hawks and Kaiser Permanente, and they will be there doing health screening. So not only is this a day of fun, but it's what we like to call infotainment, and also services for the community. So you're going to get your free food. You're going to have opportunity to meet with over 40 to 50 different community-based organizations to learn about healthy pregnancy and the different ways in which you can have. We're talking lactation specialists, doulas, mental health specialists. We're going to have point of care screenings available by Kaiser Permanente and the Hawks, which is one of our partners. We also have the Morehouse School of Medicine, who is one of our dynamic partners, not only for block party, but also throughout the week with the art show and one of our other events coming up. And then we also had Piedmont Healthcare. They're one of our platinum sponsors as well. AmeriGroup Community Care of Georgia. And the block party is in partnership with Black Mamas Matter Alliance and the city of Atlanta. So as you can see, this is Atlanta. Everybody's coming together to make it an amazing day for the entire family. And not only we always talk maternal health, but fathers, where are you? Men, come out, because For Cure for Moms is presenting For Cure for Dads. And we're going to have an entire activation dedicated to the fathers where they can be in service of mothers. But you'll have free haircuts and come out to our locker room, which is our For Cure for Dads locker room, where men can come to learn and to talk about maternal health as well. And so that's all the components of the block party. But Charles, I will let you go ahead and announce this year's.
Absolutely. So this is really cool. And so each year with this event, we really do our best to elevate the experience for the community. So this year, we're proud to announce that we are going to feature live entertainment by Kermit Quinn and the Jukebox. If you have not experienced these brothers, they are incredible. It's going to be an amazing, amazing set. Dancing, celebrating, because once again, Black joy really is a revolutionary act. And so we want to make sure that people have an amazing, unforgettable time. So we're so excited to partner with this amazing, amazing, talented group for the concert to close out the event on Saturday.
Yep. So bring your chairs, bring your blankets, and come have a great time. And there's going to be an entire merchant village as well. Oh, and I did forget one big thing. We are having a diaper giveaway. So make sure you get there early so you can come get free diapers. So the key word here is it's free. It's free for the community. It's free for families in the celebration of Black birth and joy.
Absolutely. So can I talk Sunday, or you want to talk about Sunday?
I'll kick it off for Sunday. So we've got Friday, we've got Saturday, and then Sunday, you got to come out and join us for Sunday brunch. And so in partnership with the Morehouse School of Medicine, their Center for Maternal Health Equity, we are having a brunch called Men and Fathers in the Game, Championing Her Victory. And so this specific brunch, we are going to highlight, again, men coming into this maternal health fight. Because what we like to say is maternal health, it is not a women's right. It's a fundamental human right. And it's important to all of us because there's only two types of people in this world. As Charles likes to say, either you are a mom or you have a mom. So really important, come out for Sunday brunch. It is moderated by the Rashawn Ali. We've got some great panelists, including Charles Johnson, Ovi McGillivray from previously from the Atlanta Falcons, David Castro, and Dr. Brandon Frame. And so that's Sunday brunch. Then we're going to give you guys a little break to go home, freshen up, and then we are coming out for the red carpet. And we are bringing to Atlanta the first premiere screening of the Ebony Canal here in Atlanta. And so, Charles, I know that this is one of those, another one of your favorites. So I'll let you talk about this a little bit too.
Yeah. So for us, once again, just bringing together just this rich, curating a set of experiences for people. We're so proud to partner with the team behind the Ebony Canal. The brilliant director, Ime, has really put together, it's what he calls a love letter to Black women, and exploring not only the trials and tribulations of the Black maternal health crisis right here in the United States, but very importantly, we feel so aligned with this film because it explores the solutions of what we can all do collectively to just really make sure that we can talk about the maternal mortality crisis in a historical context. And so this film is so incredibly powerful. It's beautifully done. It's narrated by the Viola Davis, right? So I mean, just being able to sit and listen to Viola talk for an hour is a treat. But so come on out. There's going to be a red carpet followed by the screening, and then we'll have an amazing conversation after that, featuring myself, Kimberly Seals Allers from Earth, the director Ime. It's going to be moderated by Lamont Rucker, and then we will also have well, actually, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry,
Madeline
Doctor.
Sutton. Well, Madeline Sutton, the
Yeah,
medical director.
Dr. Sutton, the medical director from AmeriGroup, will joining us for that panel discussion as well.
Yes, and so after that,
can I say one very
build.
important thing about the screening? One very important thing about the screening. This is important too. For us, this is also going to be an opportunity for us to really just display solidarity. And so all the proceeds, this is a free event, but we are actually structuring this what we call a proud to pay. So you can donate whatever your heart desires, but all the proceeds raised from the screening of the Ebony Canal will be split evenly amongst 9 very, very amazing organizations right here in the Atlanta area that are doing amazing work to put an end to the maternal mortality crisis. So this is an opportunity for us to really show solidarity and to be able to uplift the amazing work of some people in the great Atlanta area that are really working really hard to put an end to the maternal mortality crisis.
Exactly. And those 9 organizations were chosen because one of the work they do, but we chose 9 because for every month represents 1 month of the pregnancy journey. And so Sunday, we're really excited, and it's at the Morehouse Ray Charles Center. So we are also supporting HBCUs. So students, this is for you too. Come out on a Sunday evening and meet some really great guests and participate in an amazing documentary screening so you can learn about maternal health. And then that is a weekend, and I feel like we're already tired, but we keep going. On Monday, we will also then be a part of Black Maternal Health panels at the Morehouse School of Medicine Conference Center, and those are all day, and those are also focused a lot on students or anybody in this field or wants to come learn about what's going on in maternal health. And then on Thursday we have a town hall with Piedmont, so Piedmont Black Maternal Health Town Hall. That's at 6:30, and that's a virtual town hall. So those are all our entire week of events. So how can you, the community, support? Everything is free. Everything we do this in service of the community. So come out, support, it's free. So all we ask is that you share with your friends. Visit our website, www.forcareformoms.com, and register for these transformative events. You can also follow us on social media at ForCareForMoms, and for event updates, to see more of the flyers, to see more of the folks coming out. And just remember that Black Maternal Health Week, it cannot be overstated. It is a time for our community to come together to bring awareness to this crisis, but to do it in a celebration of joy. And so together, we can all make sure that we ensure that every Black mother has the support, care, and respect that she deserves so that she can go home with a healthy and happy family and be with her children.
Thank you, Charles and Gabby. We made it super easy for you to stay informed about all of these events because it's a full week of fabulous events. All you have to do is scan the QR code. You can see it behind Charles, behind Gabby, behind myself. Just point that camera, scan that QR code. It takes you to the website where you have all the event information and all the event registration for everything. But everything kicks off this Friday. We are going to make an impact in Atlanta over the next week, and that impact involves you. So join us on Friday for the art showcase, then bring the entire family out for the block party and walk on Saturday, then rest up a little bit Saturday night, because then Sunday we're going to go back to the brunch and then the screening of the Ebony Canal, and then our panels discussions for the following week. There's something for everyone, and everybody can be informed and be involved. So at this point, we are going to close out. And again, visit forcareformoms.com for information, scan the QR code. But Atlanta, get ready for this weekend. Rest up because it's going to be a busy week of impact. So thank you. And we are going to close the official press conference and open it up for questions. And then we look forward to seeing everybody starting this Friday.
Can't wait to see you there.